In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can purchase tickets on TicketMaster. So you're going to go to ticketmaster.ca. The link is in the description of this video. Now once you're on the website, you can search for a specific event of your choice, or you can scroll down to see the list of events that are happening. So for example, we're going to be taking this Katy Perry event. It will show you all the information about the event, right? So these are the different locations the concert will be held. So let's say we are going to be going to the PC concert, right? So select find tickets. Now from the drop down, select the amount of tickets that you need. Now the slider here determines the range for your tickets. So you can slide it up, slide it down, and then more seats will become available in the venue. So when you bring it down to the lowest possible value, and it shows you which ticket is available. When you increase it, then more seats become available. So let's say we're going with 112, then 7 tickets are available. It gives you the row seat and the section. Now you can go further, go ahead and select the specific row that you need. So in section 112, row 7, seat 106. That's where you'll be seated. So select next to continue. Now in order to check out, you need to sign up. So select sign up, specify your email address, your password, your first and last name, your country of residence, and your zip code. Then select next. You can choose to verify your account by either a phone number or your email. So we're just going to be going with email here. Enter the one-time code that was sent to your email. Your phone number is also required. Add your phone number to continue. Now once you confirm your account, select done. And from here, all you need to do is agree to the terms and conditions and then add your payment method and then you place your order. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.